Well, it's that time again to see how my buddy Old Grande Dog's been up to. Welcome to El Grande Dog's channel, home of Facebook's Texas Outdoors Posse, where any of your outdoors is fair game. Make sure to like us and request to join the Texas Outdoors Posse Facebook group. Join the outdoors conversation today and share your experiences in the field. Now, let's get back to the action and follow my old buddy El Grande Dog in search of the Muy Grande.
Well, usually being at Buc-ee's is a very happy place. We're kind of happy, but we're not that happy. There's Buc-ee's. We were half a mile away. Two blowouts. Two of them. We got Luleen Tire Shop tire service on the way. $270 for 2 polyester tires, but they're on the way is what's important. How we doing, nephew?
Doing pretty good.
All right. You ain't gonna charge me overtime, are you?
No, sir.
Luleen Tire Service. Only 30 minutes and they were here. We're gonna put the new tires in the rear. 2 new tires. Could have been worse, guys. Could have been way worse. Friday night, 11:45. Pigs didn't come out. We may have to hit them early in the morning. We got the trap set. We got real excited. We heard some clanging around, but it was a big letdown. Let me go show y'all. I'll tell y'all so y'all can see what it is. We have 2 does.
Ay, mira.
I'll try to get them out of here so they don't die when we get them out.
Hold on. Before you do, man, just let me get out of the way.
Alright.
Where in the heck?
There it goes, but they'll fight for their weight. You know what? Get behind me. Get behind me. I don't think I could turn her.
You can't put her legs out straight and just push her up? Yeah, like that?
Hold on, girl. Hold on. Her leg is caught underneath here.
Yeah.
Come on, girl. Come on out. Almost. There you go. There you go. There you go. Almost. Come on, baby girl. Go. She ain't gonna make it, man. She's hurt pretty bad. But we tried, man. These animals are hungry and, well, there's lots of blood, but I don't know. I don't think she'll make it. But we try to help them out. Oh well. Hey, what's up, guys? We're in Kerrville this weekend and no luck in the hog hunt, but there's plenty of work to do. We got to fill the water troughs, and that's a lot of work. Let me show y'all. Anyway, say hi to DJ Johnny Boy, my nephew. Anyhow, let me show you all the work that's entailed. First of all, we got to drive 15 minutes, or 15 miles actually, to get here. Yeah, but anyways, we have to come pay for water. There's Meat Killer's brand new Power Stroke. We got to fill the water tote. It takes about an hour to fill this thing. We had to come get some gas for the generators, and we had to come get some camp water, all the water jugs here, and we got to kill some time. We're a little bit above half, so I don't know, the new truck looks like it went down just a tad, but it's still heavy duty, super duty. Shout out to all you Ford guys out there, and you Chevy guys. I'm a Chevy man, but this thing sure is nice. Anyways, stand by. Oh yeah, filling up the water truck. That's how we do it. Generator, the submersible pump, and the 55 gal. We're gonna fill the small trough first. Got the flotation device right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and fill the big daddy. Got a good worker this weekend, y'all. My nephew Johnny. Say hello, boy. Okay, what's up everybody here? Just want to show y'all something. Here at Meat Killer's Ranch, we got the ultimate stove setup. Got a drawer, a big drawer on the bottom. These are two old trailer RV stoves. Thank you, Mr. Richard.
Thank you, Richard. Appreciate it.
I told you we'd put them to use, man, and we made this porch this weekend. Actually, the railings, Meat Killer and his pops framed it, and we just helped on odds and ends. So let me pan over and show y'all the rest of his creation here, all the way around. All the other item there that Mr. Richard gave us. There it is, the kitchen sink. We got an outdoor kitchen, all the amenities, bed and breakfast in Kerrville, Texas.
Yeah.
You gotta love it. We tried to hit the hogs, they didn't come out. We'll get them next time. All right, thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Run they hunts, whack 'em and stack 'em.